What is a USB-C? You've probably heard people talk about USB-C. Maybe it's come up while charging your phone, plugging in your laptop, or connecting a device to your monitor. But what actually is USB-C, and why does everyone seem to be switching to it? At its core, USB-C is just a newer type of port that we use to connect our devices. It's part of the larger USB family, which stands for Universal Serial Bus. If you want to learn more about USB, click the video up there. What makes USB-C stand out from the older USB connections you may be used to is really its design and flexibility. First off, it's smaller. Unlike those older chunky rectangular plugs, USB-C is a small oval-shaped connector. But here's what people love most about it. You can plug it in either way. No more flipping the connector 3 times trying to figure out which side is up. It works whichever way you insert it, which is one of those little things that makes a big difference. Now, beyond just being easier to plug in, USB-C is far more capable than the older versions. This one single cable can handle a lot. For one, it charges devices, and not just phones or tablets, but even full-size laptops. And it charges them much faster than the old chargers did, so you're spending less time waiting for your battery to fill up. It also transfers data, so whether you're moving files, photos, or videos between devices, USB-C can do it quickly. And for businesses moving large amounts of data, that extra speed can make a big difference. USB-C can also connect your devices to external displays. You can use it to hook up your laptop to a monitor or a TV without needing extra cables or adapters. And on top of that, it supports all kinds of accessories like external hard drives, keyboards, or docking stations. Essentially, one type of cable is replacing all the others. Now you might be wondering, why is USB-C becoming the new standard? The short answer is that it's faster, more convenient, and a whole lot more powerful. It simplifies everything by reducing the number of different cables you need to keep around. For both businesses and consumers, that's a win. At the end of the day, USB-C is changing how we connect and power our devices. It's smaller, faster, and far more versatile than what we've used in the past. Whether you're charging your phone, backing up your data, or running a presentation on a larger screen, USB-C makes all of it easier. And as technology keeps moving forward, you're going to see USB-C show up in more and more devices. So next time you spot that small reversible plug, you'll know exactly why it's become such a big deal. If you have questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below and check out our other videos answering commonly asked questions. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon to be notified when we post our new videos.